Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on our show snooze button function in Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn on our snooze button, we have to go to Settings. Then in Notifications, we have Advanced Settings. And in Advanced Settings menu, a little bit down, we have Show Snooze button. We simply check this box right here, and that's it. We can back out from this menu. No need to save. We just need to check this little box. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.